Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Automox's Hands-on IT podcast. As always, I'm your host, Landon Miles. Now, spring is here, and this month, our theme at Automox has been spring cleaning. Now, while you might be thinking about cleaning out closets at home, today we're focusing on a different kind of clutter, your IT environment. We'll cover 9 key tips that every IT pro should tackle to set themselves up for a cleaner, safer, and more efficient year ahead. Let's jump on in. All right, tip number 1, clean your desk and workspace. Your physical environment plays a bigger role in your workday than you might realize. Cluttered desk can subconsciously add to your mental load, making it harder to focus and prioritize. As IT professionals, speaking for myself at least, our desks tend to pile up with laptops, cables, and just about everything else. Take a few minutes to toss out outdated papers, organize gadgets, and wipe down your surfaces, keyboards, mouses, monitors, shelves included. A cleaner workspace naturally encourages better productivity and clearer thinking. Or, as I like to think about it, cleaning up last year's junk leaves more room for this year's junk. But before you move on to bigger IT tasks, set the right tone by making your immediate space clean and welcoming. Okay, tip number 2, dust off your hardware and check for wear. While your desk might look pristine now, the real trouble often hides inside your hardware. Servers, desktops, laptops, switches, and just about anything else electronic gathers dust over time. That dust can trap heat, leading to performance throttling or even hardware failure. So power down the devices, pop open cases or access panels, and use compressed air to clear out the vents, fans, and heat sinks. If you're not in a specially designed server room, just go ahead and dust it. Don't stop at just the computers either. Inspect your printers, mobile devices, phones, iPads, laptops, anything with moving parts or vents. And while you're cleaning, look for signs of physical wear, like bulging batteries, loose connectors, or frayed cables. Addressing these small issues now can prevent much bigger, more costly problems later. Tip number 3, untangle and manage cables. Cable management is often overlooked because it feels like a purely cosmetic task sometimes. But in reality, it impacts airflow, troubleshooting speed, your mood while troubleshooting, and even device longevity. Also, partially due to your mood while troubleshooting. Whether you're a cloud-based IT admin working from a home setup or managing racks in a data center, cable organization still matters. Even in smaller environments, a tangle of power cords, Ethernet cables, and peripherals can cause unnecessary frustration during maintenance and day-to-day organization. Start by bundling and organizing cables using Velcro ties, zip ties, and cable channels. If it's going to move again, I like Velcro ties. They're great because you can remove them without wire cutters. A clean cable setup also means quicker, less stressful maintenance in the future. When something goes wrong or when you need to replace hardware, you'll be able to trace connections easily without playing the game of, if I pull on this cable, where is it? Which cable is it? Also, take this opportunity to remove abandoned cables and replace damaged ones. Check your cables also. Check your phone chargers, USB cables, chargers for laptops, and Ethernet cables. If they don't work, throw them away. There are few things more frustrating than troubleshooting something and realizing that the cable you're using to test it with is bad. Tip number 4, review patch policies. Patching is the IT equivalent of eating your vegetables. It's essential for health and easy to put off. Servers, endpoints, VMs, firmware, networking gear, everything needs regular updates. Spring is the perfect time to review patch compliance, ensure that systems aren't lagging behind, and confirm your automated update policies are working as intended. If you're using a patch management platform like Automox, double check your policies and reporting to make sure no devices are slipping through the cracks. Beyond immediate security, timely patching helps with system stability and performance. Addressing known vulnerabilities closes easy attack vectors and ensures you're running supported, reliable versions of software. And with major events coming like the Windows 10 end of life, getting proactive now will save you from mad scrambles later. Tip number 5, purge old accounts and review software contracts. Now, if you've worked in IT long enough, you know that user accounts have a bad habit of outliving their owners. Former employees, interns, or contractors often leave a digital footprint behind in Active Directory or cloud identity systems. Spring, let's go ahead and audit user accounts, disable or remove unused ones, and tighten up group membership to follow least privilege access. At the same time, go ahead and review your organization's software and SaaS contracts. Subscriptions often linger even after users leave and projects end. Cancel licenses that you no longer need, renegotiate contracts where usage has dropped, and update your documentation. Managing accounts and licenses together helps to reduce cost, improve security, and keep your environment clean and compliant. Tip number 6, declutter local systems and storage. Just like a cluttered closet, your servers and endpoints can accumulate digital junk, old apps, outdated files, temp data, duplicate archives. This bloat eats up valuable storage, slows down systems, and can even expose you to unnecessary security risks if outdated software or forgotten services are left running. Spring cleaning is the perfect time to give your file systems a hard look, clear out anything that's no longer actively needed. While you're decluttering physical storage, don't forget to optimize your virtual environments also. Review your VMs and adjust resource allocations where necessary. Right-sizing virtual machines improves performance, frees up host resources, and can even delay expensive hardware upgrades. A cleaner, better balanced infrastructure, both physical and virtual, sets you up for a more efficient year ahead. Tip number 7, audit and test your backups. Backups are only valuable if they actually work when you need them. While backups may report success, it's crucial to perform real-world tests, restore a file, a folder, or even an entire VM to verify the integrity of your backups. Catching gaps or data corruption now could be the difference between a quick recovery and a catastrophic loss later. Also, review your backup policies and schedules during this cleanup session. Make sure all critical systems are included, that backup retention policies make sense, and that off-site or cloud backups are up to date. Reliable backups are the safety net that every cleaned up IT environment relies on to stay resilient. Tip number 8, review digital and hardware tech debt. Spring cleaning isn't just for physical spaces. It's a critical time to take stock of your IT environment's technical debt. Review your hardware inventory to check the age, warranty status, and performance of your critical infrastructure. Identify any servers, networking gear, employee laptops, or peripherals approaching end of life or end of support. Proactively planning for replacements or upgrades helps avoid unexpected downtime and emergency purchases. At the same time, audit your digital infrastructure. Firmware versions, outdated systems, unsupported software. Please do not run Windows Server 2008. Any neglected configuration updates, any of that can quietly accumulate risks over time. Prioritize addressing vulnerabilities and retire aging systems before they turn into major problems. By taking a look at both your physical and digital tech debt right now, you set yourself up for a smoother, safer, and more predictable rest of your year. Tip number 9, the last one, update your documentation. Refresh your policies. Last but never least, documentation. It's important. In the chaos of everyday IT, documentation often falls behind. Use your spring cleaning session to update asset inventories, network diagrams, runbooks, configuration files, so they accurately reflect your environment as it stands today. Accurate documentation isn't just nice to have, it's crucial. If something goes wrong or breaks at 2 a.m. or when new team members need to get up to speed, that's where your documentation comes in handy. Refreshed IT policies ensure your processes, onboarding, offboarding, patching, and backup stay aligned with your organization's current realities. All right, that's it. 9 practical spring cleaning tips to help IT pros get their house in order. A little proactive maintenance now can save you countless hours of reactive crisis management later. Thanks for tuning in to the Hands on IT podcast. If you found today's episode helpful, fun, share it with a friend, follow us, share it with your uncle, your aunt, your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad. We'd love to feature you or them in a future episode. Until next time, stay patched, stay organized, have fun. See you then.